Hello students, greetings from Learn to Lead Academy. So MAT examination for the upcoming May MAT has been changed now, and let us see the new exam pattern for the May MAT examination. So as usual they are going to ask you the questions under 5 categories: language comprehension, intelligence and critical reasoning, mathematical skills, data analysis and sufficiency, economic and business environment. But they have reduced the number of questions from 200 to 150, and see here, and you are given 120 minutes of time, and under each section you're going to get 30 questions. Under language comprehension, 30 questions you need to take, intelligence and critical reasoning 30, mathematical skills 30, data analysis and sufficiency 30, economic and business environment 30. In total 150 questions. So 150 questions you need to attend in 120 minutes. So the thing you have to focus is the first 4 parts. Those who are very strong with your vocabulary and language, first try to attempt your language comprehension 30 questions within 15 to 20 minutes. Don't spend more than 15 minutes for language comprehension. After completing your language comprehension, just move on to data analysis and sufficiency. The questions will be simple. If you know the basic concepts itself, you can answer the data analysis and sufficiency type, and also there will be some numerical you need to check. And then after completing data analysis and sufficiency, go to intelligence and critical reasoning section, and then last section you take mathematical skills. So it is going to be very tough to take all those 150 questions in 120 minutes. So prepare well. And you can also watch out our previous videos for Feb MAT as well as December MAT preparation. All the best students. We are also going to post you some more videos based on the May MAT examination. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. And the admissions are open for TANSET and MAT 2025. So the admissions are open for TANSET 2025 as well as September MAT 2025. Those who are planning to do your MBA in 2025, you can register for this online coaching program. To register, you can also visit learntolead.in, and also you can contact 8870046080. All the best, students.